Nice to meet. Good
Okay.
afternoon too.
Yes. What is your name? What is your name? Oh,
Nita.
Nita. Hi, Nita. Nice to meet you, Nita.
Hi. Nice to meet you either.
Oh, wow. That's good. Now, Nita, are you ready? Oh, that's good to hear that Nita is ready. So, since you are ready, listen to me and look at me. Okay? Okay, very
Okay.
good. Now, Nita, look, drag, and say. Okay, look at the bunny one. What did the bunny ask? Okay, let's have a review. Can you do that? What is that?
A clock.
Drag, drag. What is what time? You put in the space, drag. What time? Here's the word beside, drag.
คำว่า time
Time.
คำว่า time time
Okay,
Time.
drag. Put in the space here. Put in the space here.
ตรงนี้ what time อ่า
Okay, can you read the sentence? What time is it? It's
It's 7 o'clock.
it's evening. It's 7
in the
o'clock in the o'clock first. O'clock. Okay, very good. Next. O'clock. Okay, now, Anita, can you read the sentence completely? Read.
What time is
Okay.
it? It's 7 o'clock.
In
7 o'clock.
in the
In the 7 o'clock. Evening.
okay, it's 7 o'clock in the evening. Again. It's
It's 7 o'clock in the evening.
wow, very good. 2 magic star for Anita. Wow, yay, good job. Now, Anita, let's go to the next page, okay? Okay, let's hop to the next, hop, hop. Let's hop to the next page. Okay, now, look at the picture, Anita. What can you see there?
Oh, why is that baby? I see a bird.
Oh, there's a bird. Okay, now, Nita, the title of our lesson is
I haven't taught either.
Polly Found a Bag. What is the title of our lesson? Polly
Polly found a
Okay,
bag.
very good. Polly found a bag. Fun with phonics and and again. Okay, very good. Now, Nita, let's chant. Okay, listen first. The chant. Listen the chant first. Okay, now, can you read the chant? Can you read the chant? Okay, clap your hands if you can see hands are clapping. Okay, read. Okay, you're going to follow teacher. Okay, you're going to follow teacher, okay? The boy and the pig.
And the pig.
The pen.
A pen.
The pen.
The pen.
And the bag.
And the
The
bag.
pot.
The
And the
pot.
bug.
And the
They're
bug.
pretty
They're pretty.
and big.
And
Yay!
big.
Very good. Wow! I will give you. Ta-da-da! Do you like orange, Nita? Okay.
The lemon.
Oh, this is orange. Say orange.
Lemon.
Okay, orange. Okay, very good. All right. Mm-hmm. You can drink your water if you want.
That you lady ring.
Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay. Okay, very good, Nita. Okay, now let's go on here. Ta-da! Let's have a fun exercise.
It's game
Mhm.
time.
It's not yet game time. It's a phonics time.
Funny.
Phonics time. What is that? Phonics time. Okay, phonics times is we are going to learn the sound of the letters. Look and listen.
Puppy. Puppy.
Do the phonics sound.
Puppy.
Puppy. Okay, where is the puppy in the picture? Can you show teacher where is puppy? Where is puppy? Yay! Very good. That's a puppy. Very good. Wow. You are great.
I have my toy puppy named
Puppy also. Where is your puppy toy?
A dog.
And a dog. Wow.
A cute lovely dog
So where is your dog?
named Puppy.
Your
But he a toy.
he is shy.
No, he a
It's a toy, not a real one. It's okay as long as you have a toy. And are you happy with your puppy toy?
Yeah, I sleep with that.
Oh, okay. Now let's go on here. Okay, look and listen carefully.
Okay. Puppy. Puppy.
Again, one more time. Very
Puppy.
good. Okay, next.
Pond. Pond. Pond.
Okay, again.
I have many
Oh, wow. You have many candies? Wow. Okay, but do not eat too much candy. Candy will damage your teeth.
But my daddy likes them. My daddy likes them. Mommy, I can't eat.
It's okay to eat candy, but not so many. Okay?
But daddy is a really offensive.
Oh, daddy is has a strong teeth already, but you are still a baby, so your teeth is not so strong like dad.
But I can eat.
Okay, if you eat candy like that, you should drink water after. Okay? Okay.
Oh, fuck you too.
All right. So follow teacher say.
Pond.
Okay. Pond. Pond. Okay, very good. Do you have pond there in your home? No, but you can see pond in real life, or you can see pond there something.
I can see pond in the river.
How about in the school? Do you have pond in the school? Nope. Okay, but but look, this is the pond. If you see something like this is called a pond. Okay? Okay, very good. Now look at the picture. Let's go to phonics. Bo, bo, bo.
Bird.
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 Bird. Okay, very good. Bird. Bird, bird, bird.
My name is Mr. Bird. My daddy name Bird Eater.
Okay, now listen.
Bird. Bird. This is my crayon. Bird. Bird.
Okay, look at the picture.
Bird.
Where is the bird?
Bird.
Where is the bird? B, b, bird. Very good. Next, one magic star for you. Next is, okay, say bag. Bag.
Bird. Bird. Bag. Bird. Bird. Bag.
All right, very good. Where is the bag, Nita? Where is the bag? Okay, where is the bag? Yay, that's correct. Do you have a bag?
Yeah.
Do you have a bag? Oh, wow. What is the color of
I
your
have a-
bag?
My bag is la boo boo.
Mm-hmm. Its color, what is the color?
I don't remember. Well, I have my bag.
Wow, it's so cute. Wow, is that
Yeah.
your bag? Is that your bag?
No. No, it's my mommy bag.
How about your bag? Your bag.
Oh.
Do you have bag
Yeah.
your own?
Oh, my mommy keep the bag.
Ah, so she give that to you. Your mom give that to you.
Yeah. It's very comfy.
Oh, yeah, it's very comfy because it looks like a fur, right?
You like comfy.
Yeah, I like it too. Okay, very good.
You like pretty.
I have also my bag. Oh, look at teacher, I have a bag and it's so big.
Wow.
Do you think I don't have bag? I have bag also. Look at my bag, it's so big.
Wow.
Okay, here. Ta-da! My
Ooh.
bag. This is my
So
bag.
big.
It's so big. Okay.
I have bag.
It's not a bag. It's a packaging tape.
Keep it again.
Packaging tape.
Parenting tape.
Okay. Now look. What is that? It's
Game tape.
game time. Let's play, Nita. Okay. What sound does the letter B make? Okay, lesson number 1 or number 2? Okay, what's your answer? 1 or 2?
Two.
Yes. Ba is for bag. 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 Yes. Very
Why
good.
you have eye and mouth?
Bag.
Bag.
Bag. This one.
But
Bag.
why you have bag and eye and mouth and nose?
No, there's no ba. It's
But I see it over here.
oh, his nose. It's the style of the bag. If you like bag that has a nose and eyes, you can buy that. Yes, it's just only a style.
Ooh, and
Uh,
bag can do anything.
Yeah, there are many different styles of bag. Okay, now. Okay, now this time, listen. Listen first. Okay, click and say,
Easy.
pig. Pot, 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 pot.
Easy.
Okay. Boy, boy. Boy. Pizza, pizza.
Pizza.
Wow. Bag. Bag.
Bag.
Wow.
I
Perfect.
shake.
Yummy. I will give you mango. Do you like mango?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh,
Chef.
mango. Oh, other mango are sour and also other are very sweet. Now, can you read what is that in the screen? Polly?
Holding for a bag.
Okay, Polly found a bag. Okay, who found the bag?
Polly.
Polly. Okay, great. Now, listen. Okay, read Nita.
A beautiful bird named Polly lives in a pond.
Yay, very good. Okay, again, say beautiful. Follow teacher, beautiful.
Beautiful
Bird.
bird
Polly.
named Polly.
Pond.
Pond.
Okay, very good. Next. All right, listen carefully. Okay, read Nita.
Polly found a bag. Little
Of books
a book
that belonged
that belongs
to a bag.
to a bag.
Okay, very good. Now follow teacher, say Polly.
Polly
Bag.
bag
Books.
book
Belonged.
belong
Bug.
up.
Okay, very good. Okay, I will give you tang da da dang. Great work is strawberry. Yay! Do you like strawberry?
Yeah.
Okay, good job, Nita. Now let's go to the next
My
page.
dad said Japanese eat that because they're pink.
Yeah, that's pink, yellow, and purple.
If a paper eaten.
Okay, read. Okay, read, Nita. Polly
Polly found
and a puppy
and a puppy
found a bug
found a bug
and gave back
and gave back
the books.
the book.
Okay, very good. All right, follow teacher. Say, Polly,
Found
puppy,
puppy
bug,
bug
bag,
bag
books.
books
Books.
and a book.
Okay, very good. I will give you. Do you like to eat donut?
Yeah.
Okay. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, very good. All right, so listen again. Okay, read Nita.
Dapat ibagi adik lihat pizza party.
Okay, say the bug
Dapat
pizza
pizza
party.
party.
Okay, very good. Good job. Look, why the bug is very happy?
Because they like pizza.
Yes, because they had a pizza party. Very good. Now, Nita, this time we will play some games. Are you ready?
Yay.
Okay, great. Now let's have a speed read. Okay, let's practice first to read the 2 sentences. Then after that, let's read the sentences in just 20 seconds. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's practice first. Polly found
Polly found
a bag of books.
a bag of books.
Very good. Next, number 2 sentence. Polly gave
Polly
gave it back.
a bag.
Polly gave it back.
Give a bag for bag.
Okay, give it back to the bag. Alright, this time, Nita, are you ready to read the sentences in just 20 seconds? Ready?
No.
No? Okay, let's practice again until you are ready. Okay, follow teacher. Polly found
Polly found
a bag of books.
a bag of books.
Polly gave it back
He gave it back
to the bag.
to the bag.
Okay, Polly gave it back.
Polly gave a bag.
Polly gave it back
Polly gave a bag
to the bag.
to the bag.
Okay, this time, let's practice to read the 2 sentences in just 20 seconds. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, time will start now, Nita. Go, read.
Polly found a bag. We found a bag near to bag.
Polly gave it.
Polly gave it to the bag. A
Give
bag.
it back.
Give it back to the bag.
Yay, very good. Okay, again. One more time.
No.
Okay, until the balloon will never be popped. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Polly found
Polly found a bag
of books.
of books.
Very good. Polly gave it back.
Polly gave it back to the bag.
Yay! Very good. You read the sentence in just 13 seconds. Whoa! Good job, Nita. And for that, I will give you nice job, watermelon. Nice job. Hey! Nice job, watermelon. Very good. Okay, today, Nita, you have learned this following phonics. What is that?
Puppy.
Puppy,
Bird.
pond,
Bird.
bird,
What's that?
uh,
Ball.
bag.
My
Okay.
daddy named Ball.
Okay, now Nita, we are done with our lesson, Nita. You are very good in our lesson today and you are awesome. Don't forget your phonics pa and pa in this lesson. Okay? Okay, continue, Nita, to read simple sentences and watch English movies to enhance your reading skills and your pronunciation. Okay? Okay, let's sing now. See you soon. Goodbye, song.
Bye. Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you, Nita. Tell mom and dad. Thank you for booking in my class. See you next time, Nita.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Have a nice day too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.